Hey there, this video is about how does Google Analytics work? I have no idea. Alright, well let's talk it through together. Thanks for watching our channel. This is the Wannabe Digital Marketer, and what that means is that we believe that every marketer is a wannabe. We all want to get to the next level, so please join our community. Let's all help each other get there, okay? Now, before I get into Google Analytics, please drop a comment below. Let me know what questions you might have about Google Analytics. What are you looking to use it for? For what purpose? What have you heard? Have you heard good things? And are you looking to install this yourself? So here's a quick story about Google Analytics. I used to not use it at all when I first started making websites. I mean, it was about 7 years ago, and I was making websites, and I started doing some paid ads for it. And I didn't know about Google Analytics. I thought it was fancy businesses, like larger businesses. Like, why would I need to use it? I don't know. And I didn't know it was free, actually. So I then found Google Analytics. I installed it on the website. I did it myself. It's not very hard to do. And then I started capturing data, and I was addicted to it. I would log in every day to see how many people were on my website, how long they were on my website, and what pages they went to, where they were located. There's a real-time section in Google Analytics where you can actually sit there and wait, and you can see how many people are on your website currently, where they're located, and what page they're on. I was literally addicted to this thing. So it was just so funny, and for now I use it every day, and I'm like, how did I never know about this? Okay, but how does Google Analytics work? So I can't tell you, but it's pretty simple. I'll explain it to you the best I can, the best I can understand it as, at least, okay? So bear with me here. So when you have Google Analytics, how it works is you can create a Google Analytics account within Google, and what they do is they create you a UA code, a tracking code, okay? So what you do is you take that tracking code, you can then install it onto your website through a little snippet of code, and what it does is every time someone goes onto your website, it triggers a session and sends it back to Google Analytics. So every time someone goes on your website, it'll send to Google Analytics that someone's on your website, and it'll pull as much data as it can. Every time they visit a new page or take a new specified interaction, it will then send all of those events back to Google Analytics as well. So how it works is you can log into Google Analytics, you create a property and a view, and then you log in. You can jump into your view, and then you can see all the session data for a specified amount of time. But it doesn't end there. You can actually go into the settings, go to goals. You can create different goals that you want people to take, different actions or different paths or different form submissions, and you can calculate those as conversions. So what's great about that is you can assign it a value. So let's say someone goes to my website and they fill out a contact us form. They are interested in a certain service, and let's say every time someone contacts me, I want to place a value on that. So that's worth $10. So therefore, I could set a conversion value of $10 every time someone submits that form. So now if I'm doing paid advertisements and I'm spending $100, I know that I need 10 conversions. So right in Analytics, I can see my spend, because it works with Google Ads too. It'll pull in that data. I can see my spend, and I can see my conversion return. And I can see all in Analytics, my ROI, and all the session data that's needed for there. Now, it doesn't end there. It's so complex. And there's a lot of different e-commerce settings. You can build funnels and journeys and journey goals. It's amazing. But one of my favorite parts of Google Analytics is the source medium report. That will tell you where people are coming from, what source, and by what medium. So basically, if they're coming from Google, and then if they're coming from Google, you can see if they're coming from like organic, Gmail, paid, and any other kind of source that comes through. Then you can also add a secondary dimension as for your landing page, so you can see where they came from and what page they landed on. It's highly valuable. If you see a spike in traffic, I immediately jump into source and medium, see where it came from, where they landed, if they converted, and voila, there's Google Analytics, and that's how it works. So hey, if you thought this video was helpful, if I was able to help you understand what Google Analytics is and how it works, please drop a comment below. Please like this video. Please subscribe. I need subscribers. So if you want to subscribe to this video, I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on SEO, paid digital, social media strategies, and I look forward to building this community. Oh, before you go, right below in the video description at the top of it, there is a link to join our private Facebook group, the Wannabe Digital Marketer, and basically it's filled with marketers like ourselves, and we are going to be answering questions when they come about. We're also going to be chatting about different trends. So yeah, so this just, once you click the long day. Okay. Once you click the link below, you're going to be asked a few questions and to join our community, and voila, you'll be in there. So I look forward to seeing you in there, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.